This awesome 1970 GTX is a correctly restored car that's still equipped with its original Super Commando power. It's something decidedly unique in the world of big block Mopars. This speed body's nut and bolt restoration began with a mostly rust-free body that benefited from a fresh set of quarter panels. Once those panels were correctly aligned, everything was carefully massaged to better than new condition. And that lovingly prepped canvas was shot both inside and out in correct ivy green metallic that's been highlighted with factory war paint. In the age of constant connectivity, there's really nothing better than sliding behind the wheel of a simplistic 60s muscle car. There's a trio of green trimmed seats that combine supportive comfort with minimalist style. A retro steering wheel laps rebuilt rally gauges and a vintage Chrysler radio. And a wood-trimmed console traces a Hurst pistol grip shifter. Hoist the car's hood and you'll find an original 440 cubic inch RB V8 that hangs a correct casting number and a matching partial VIN. Behind the 440, a correct A833 4-speed twists power to a tough Dana 60 that's fitted with posi traction and 354 gears. With the market focused on specialty roadrunners and big money CUDAs, it's easy to overlook cars like this striking GTX. And it's an underappreciated rarity that mixes top-notch performance with increased approachability. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.